Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review, and today I'm going to review NotifyVisitors. With NotifyVisitors, you can run multi-channel customer outreach. You can run that using emails, which means you are going to send emails to your potential customers, or you can also choose the SMS platform, or you can even choose any social platform such as WhatsApp. And if you want to buy this tool, this is the best time because it is available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is close to $400, but at Appsumo you are getting the lifetime deal of NotifyVisitors at only $59. Now let's have a look at all the features that you are going to get with this deal. As you can see, you can send unlimited push notification. You can create professional looking emails. There are templates for emails. You can also build automations and workflows. There are also some pre-built ones. You can create pop-ups, sign up forms. There is segmentation, customer, and then there are a lot of other features as you can see. And these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. The tier 1 costs $59. On this tier, you can send 5,000 emails per month. You can add 5,000 contacts, and the pop-up and form impressions every month is 100K. If you want more limits, you can choose the license tier 2 or license tier 3. There is also another license tier, which is this tier 4, and it has some massive limits as you can see. So if you want to buy NotifyVisitors on a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. So you might be confused about the features of NotifyVisitors. So let me show you all the primary features. I'm currently on NotifyVisitors website, and if I click on this feature, so as you can see, there are a lot of features. First is this customer data platform, and for that there is behavior analytics, identity resolution, and a lot more. There is also features for engagement as you can see, and then there are obviously analytical features. You can also see the customer feedback. There's personalization features as well as A/B testing. And after you log in to NotifyVisitors, you will get this dashboard. And keep in mind that in order to log in, you have to connect your e-commerce store. So it could be from Shopify or it could be WooCommerce. So I have connected my Shopify account. Connecting your shop is also very easy. So after you connect successfully, you are going to get this dashboard. So currently we are on this overview section. So here I can see the active users of my store and the events, the specific data about device, the activity stream, and on top I can show you a demo account. So let's open this e-commerce demo account. So now I can show you these features in more detail. For example, this is the active users graph. Based on certain times, you can see the data of that particular time. So here is a graph, and then there is this events data sheet and the data about what devices your users are using. And then there is also this activity stream. And in order to use NotifyVisitors to its full potential, you have to connect some platforms. So let me show you those. You have to go to settings first, and then on this email section, you can add the sender email, which means if you want to run email outreach, you obviously need a sender email. So as you can see, there is already one. So you can add another by clicking on there, and then you have to provide the sender email on here. And as I have said earlier, you can also run outreach on other platforms such as SMS. So you have to add the sender ID here, and you can also add your service provider. So click on this, and as service provider, there are multiple options: 𝗗𝗶𝘀, Netcore, and various other options. So from here, you can add your SMS provider, and then there is also WhatsApp. So you can connect your WhatsApp. For WhatsApp, you also get multiple service providers. So here are those. And then obviously there is also webhook. So this is amazing. NotifyVisitors also has webhook. Also Facebook, you can connect Facebook for advertising, web push, app push, and you can also access the campaign control. Now if I show you some other features, so if I go to this real impact, so here I can see real-time conversions of my store in detail. And obviously this is a demo account, so I'm getting data according to that e-commerce demo account. So to get the data, I have to properly filter it. So as you can see, I have to select this attribution model and also the data range. So I have got over 2000 orders in this data range, and here is more details on here. On the right side, you can see the amount of conversions I'm probably getting from email, SMS, push notification, and customer journeys. And there is also data divided into this pop-up. So I can see the banner campaigns. How are my banner campaigns doing? So there is multi-product offers, welcome offers. So this is very detailed statistic about conversions. You can also see the campaigns. So from which campaigns, how many amount of conversions I'm getting, you can also see that. And there are also some other sections. So I can see the revenue, and here is the revenue section. So total revenue generated, and I can also see the exact amount of revenue I'm getting using this tool, and also the transactions, paying users. So I can see all of the details on here. I can also see the campaign revenue. So as you can see, here is the campaign revenue section. Once again, I can see the app push, web push, email, SMS, which means from what platform, what type of revenue I'm getting using those platforms campaign feature. So here are some of the campaigns, and I can see the revenue generated from exactly that campaigns. So this is amazing. And then there is also on-site revenue. And now comes the analytics part. So if I go to this analytics, I can see analytics of event. So I have to select the data range, the event, and also I have to select the attribute. Then I can see all of the events. I can see analytics about funnels. As you can see, I have this one funnel. So I can see the analytics about this funnel at the bottom. And I can also see all of the steps of this funnel on here. As you can see, here is a summary of my funnel. And on the left side, I can also access the cohort. So I have to select the data range in order to find the retention report. I can also see the uninstalls. So total amount of uninstall I'm getting from Android platform, iOS. So this is also a very good way to see how your store is performing. And I can also see the analytics about the mobile app. So here is that. And then on this left side, I have these segments. So here are all of the segments and the amount of segments that are published, the users that I have gained from these segments, and also I can take some actions on this segment. And if I want to create one, I have to click on create segment. So I can create segments based on actions, inaction, actions with user properties. It could be list based, or it could also be from pre-built segments. So as I have said earlier, there are some pre-built segments, and here are those. And then I can also see the user growth of segment, the user list. Here are all the user list acquired. And also I can analyze users from a specific data range. And then there is this journey or customer journeys. So here is one journey about welcoming journey. Then there is product abandonment journey. So journey could be two different things. One could be a sequence, or one could be workflow. And if you want to create a journey, click on this create journey. So here are some templates of journey, which means pre-built journeys, or you can also create one from scratch. So let me switch to the main account, which means I'm going to go away from this demo account. Now let's click on create from scratch. So I can create workflow. Let's name this. Okay, so here is the workflow creator. I can add some triggers through this workflow. So it could be first, it could be event. Let's add this. So after I selected this event trigger, I have to select the particular event. For example, it could be product view, and let's save. So okay, it is now product view. And then for example, with product view, I want this web push notification. So let's drag and drop it on here. I can select the web push from existing, or also create a new web push. So this way I can add various actions and then connect this product view or trigger with the actions. And there are also various conditions that I can add, as well as flow controls. So let's go back. Once again, click on create journey, create from scratch. And now let's try this create sequence. Click on create journey. Okay, so now here I can create some sequences. Once again, I have to add triggers and actions to create those sequences. And then I can also create campaigns, email campaigns, SMS campaigns. So as you can see, one campaign is already here. And creating a campaign is very easy. Just click on create campaign. For example, I want to run an email campaign. So click on email. And then I have to provide the campaign name and also some other details, as you can see. Then click on continue. Now I have to select the content. So email subject, sender name, email pre-header, the sender email address. And to design the email, I have so many options. So I can use the drag and drop editor, or I can send plain text, or I can also use custom code, HTML code. So this way I can create an email campaign, and the same procedure goes for other campaigns also. I can launch campaigns of web push, Android push, iOS push, SMS campaign, or even WhatsApp campaign. And obviously all the campaign templates are on this section. So if you do not want to go through the hassle of creating a campaign from scratch, you can choose the pre-built email templates. So here are all the email templates. If you want to view more templates, click on these. So here are a lot of other templates. And back to this left side, then there's this brand assets. So if I'm using the brand logo, the style, or various icons of my brand again and again on NotifyVisitors, so I can upload those already on here, then select them. So I could upload the logo on here, and on the right side I can see a preview. I can also add styles, various styles of my brand. I can also add the social icon on here. And then on the left side, I have this on-site section. So here I can see the website pop-ups and also the sign-up form. So how much impression, clicks, unique clicks I'm getting from this pop-up form and sign-up forms, I can get that on here. And if I show you the demo account, and as you can see here, I can see the analytics properly. So with this demo account, the impressions are this much, the clicks are this. You can also see the overview of trend, and you can obviously see the pop-ups overview. So from this pop-up, I'm getting this amount of impression. So this way you can select which pop-ups you want to keep and which ones you want to abandon. You can also see the statistics of sign-up form. So here is that. So overall, I think NotifyVisitor is an excellent outreach tool. Other than being an outreach tool, it also has a lot of features such as the CDP features, which means you can analyze the customer behavior. I have never seen a tool that gives you so much customer data, which I have got from NotifyVisitors. This is amazing. You can run detailed analytics to see what is working, what is not. It could be a sign-up form or a pop-up, or it could be a campaign, or it could be a customer journey. So you can exactly pinpoint what is performing well for your store and what is not. And if you want to buy NotifyVisitors on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this deal, you are going to get all of these features, and these are some of the tiers that you can buy from Appsumo. There is also license tier 3. So here is that. That's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.